nature itself. Beautiful. All the waterfalls.
Oh, look at that right there. That's scary. That over there, look.
What?
All that water.
Gosh, I'm just happy that we're going into the rocks because this looks scary. How did they go all the way down this river like that? Then they have to go all the way back, and then that's probably when they're gonna die. When they go back. Well, when they're probably gonna die is when they go forth. Yeah, that's what. What is that? A croc?
They look like waves in the beach though. Some of them.
All of them look like waves in the beach. Brandy, this looks like waves in the beach. What if it connects to a beach? There's like only one beach here, but it's man-made.
How you know?
I've been.
Allen Creek Beach. Is it Allen Creek?
I don't know.
Somewhere. Is that no Summersville Lake?
Yeah, Summersville. Nature. Oh, it's wonderful things. You catch fish in this. You go kayaking in this. You go do everything in this. Water is everything to you. Water. Water, water, water. It just keeps going down. See amazing stuff. Amazing.
Really did. Look at those big rocks. Look at that one.
What if we could look at that one? God. Now this is getting too crazy now. Gosh, no, 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 no. It's reached the ocean level now, Granny. Is that that's a treasure chest, I think.
Bunch of trash.
What the freak? I would never swim in there.
I don't think you could swim in there. The way that's crazy.
Gosh, how could they go kayaking? I bet they would die when they got down here. I
They
bet.
know how to do it. They professional.
No, what if they weren't professional? It was their first time. They would have
They
died.
don't take you all the way down here. They just take you in a certain area.
I'm talking
If it's
about
your
if you were
first
by
time.
yourself. Like if you were an adult and by yourself. You would die.
I don't know.
I think you would die.
I would be scared.
I wouldn't be doing kayaking in no time. I surfed like once, and that was like my only time surfing. It was good. I'm putting this on YouTube. That looks like a hand. What is that, a snake? Leaves what?
I don't think snakes are out in the cold in the winter. It's too cold.
No, 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 no. I wouldn't even come right here. This would be the end point, and I would have went all the way back down there.
This do look calmer than the other parts down there.
Well, technically, yeah, but what if it goes to what if a waterfall comes and then we just go on a bridge, like right by a waterfall?
That would be pretty.
I would be scared as heck. I would have been holding on for my life. I would have been freaking holding on for my life. And I was like,
This is probably as far as you can go. Then they stop you.
why? Because it gets rougher.
Smoother, yeah, it gets rougher, but this is kind of smooth.
So I bet they could take you out here still like a little farther.
You think so?
Yeah. How long is this stupid river? How long? Nobody's gonna watch a YouTube video 5 minutes.
It's longer than 5 minutes.
Oh my god.
Oh, it is 5 minutes.
Hey, there's somebody kayaking. Yeah. I can't believe they can handle this. What if we see more? Like like a whole bunch of people that are friends. No, this would be the end, Granny. This is like Ocean Reach. Nobody could go kayaking down here, though. No, I'm talking about down here. Like where we are right now, they would have died. Oh, Granny, if it was a hurricane and they went kayaking because they didn't have cable and they didn't know. Oh, gosh. Woo-wee.
What's up, baby?
What is this?
What's up, cuz?
I would have been like, God.
You can stop there. You can see the river.
Again.